everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer your content to Rednote app. In today's example I'm going to use TikTok application to transfer my content to Rednote. So first you're gonna open TikTok and then go to your profile on the bottom part of the screen. Next you're gonna go to the top part of the screen, like 3 bars, settings and privacy. Then you're gonna go to account and then download your data. You're gonna wait for this to load. Then you're gonna select data to download. And in here you're gonna select all data and then click on done. Then you're gonna select file format. And in my case I'm gonna keep it as txt and then complete. And then request data. Then you have to wait for the request to get accepted. I'm waiting for my request to be accepted, but in this time I will be showing you how to transfer your data. So you're gonna open Rednote and then agree. And here you're gonna allow the permissions. And here you're gonna enter your information. And you're gonna log in. But first you're gonna click on this like little circle that says I have read and agreed the following policies. So you're gonna check that and then log in. In here you're gonna enter your phone number, or you can choose to log in with Facebook or Google account. So I'm gonna log in and then come back. After you put your information, then it's gonna ask you to select your interest. You're gonna select more than 4. So I'm gonna do random, like this 4, and then start exploring. And here you're gonna allow, and then next. Allow then here, and you can now see videos on here. And this is how you can create your account on Rednote. You're gonna go to me on the bottom part and select on the QR code on the top part of the screen. It's like a dash with a square. But first you're gonna wait for the request to be accepted. After the request is accepted, you're gonna press on download. Then you verify your account. They will send you a message to your phone number and you're gonna verify it. After you verify the message, the file is gonna be downloaded, and then you're gonna go to Rednote, and in here you're gonna go to your profile on the bottom part of the screen, and then click on the QR code on the top part of the screen, which is like a dash with a square. Then you're gonna allow Rednote to take pictures, and then scan this QR code. After you scan the QR code, you're gonna import the zip file here. So you're gonna allow, and then click on the blue text and select the data. Then you're gonna click on transfer now. After you import the zip file, you're gonna click on transfer now, and all the data will be transferred from TikTok to Rednote app.